Hey, fourth grade, welcome back again to Drawing More Lions. So this will be lion number 3. With this one, you're still going to need a piece of paper. You need a pencil, your eraser, your sharpener with your eraser, combo if you want, or just your sharpener. Same stuff we always are using, and we'll use it again in this one and then one more. So after this, you will have all your lion videos. One more after this. So let's swap cameras to my document camera and we will go ahead and start drawing lion number 3. Okay, just as we started out with everything else, we're going the tall way. We're going to fold it in half, top to bottom, and then side to side. So top to bottom, side to side. For this one, we are not going to start in the middle. We're actually going to start over just a little bit. We are going to start out by drawing kind of a teardrop shape. It's going to be a little bit flatter along the bottom though. So it's going to touch our middle fold. So this is my vertical fold. It's going to touch that, and it's also going to touch my horizontal fold. We're going to be just to the left. So I'm going to draw this curve shape. Let me see if that, there we go. That looks a little better. Got a little too bright on there. And that's almost too big. So we're going to shrink it down just a little bit. There we go. That looks a little better. Okay, from here then we're going to curve it up and make that teardrop pointy shape. Now you can see mine is not super even, and that's okay. We'll make it work. Inside this shape, we're going to draw kind of a pointed down triangle. So we're going to start by coming across, pointing down, and pointing down. That's going to be your lion's nose. From there, we're going to draw a line, and then we're going to draw a little scoop. Give him a cute little smile. From here, we're going to draw what almost looks like the start of a rectangle with a couple shapes on top. So we're going to start by coming out the side. We're going to come out to the right, and I'm going to come up till I'm just about equal with the nose. Then I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to come out, going to curve up till I'm just about equal with the nose. Then I'm going to angle in, not quite this far, but I'm going to angle up slightly. And that looks too skinny, so we're going to erase. So bring it out a little bit more. So angle, you may need to bring your nose up, just your line that's by your above your nose up just a little bit. There we go, that looks a little bit better. Then we're going to come straight across for the top of our head. Inside this shape, you're going to put me some eyeballs right here. And then we're going to draw our ears as half circles coming off the top along that angled part. Okay, there's the face. We're now going to draw a circle. Now, a lot of you want to trace something. Okay, you got to go find something that's big enough. I'm going to freehand it. So is it going to be perfect? Nope, but that's okay. In fact, I might even end up running off the edge of my paper. Now, does this have to be a perfect circle? No, if you wanted to make it a little bit more oval, go for it. From here, we're going to give him some kind of hairline. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to come down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to come over to the side and over to the side because we want to make them equal. So I've got 2 coming out the top, 2 coming out the bottom, 1 out each side. And then I'm going to just divide those with 2 more lines. Kind of looks like he's got a sunshine hanging out behind his head. Okay, so let's get this guy a body. We want to come down from about the middle of his face. We're going to come down And then you're going to make a right angle. So we're going to turn, go to the right. We're going to come out from our main at an angle and then round it down. And it looks like I need to extend my line down. That'll be his backside. Okay, legs are going to be easier than you think. We are going to have to do some erasing though. So front leg. I'm going to start out by drawing a little bit more this way, and then we're going to do half circle and draw up. Now, can I use that line? I can't. I just need to shorten it. And then I can draw him another line. There's his paw. We're going to draw a line that's going to half circle again. This one's going to go right here. It's going to be his back foot. And give him 2 lines. Then we're going to draw a curve like this. And that creates his back leg and his front leg. And then we're going to draw a second front leg as if it's over just a little bit. Before we do that, though, we got to draw kind of that fluffy part of his belly. So we're going to draw that kind of curvy shaping. Then we're going to come down. But before we hit this, we're going to curve out the second foot. You can give it a toe. Now we see 2 front legs, 1 back leg, and the other back legs on the other side that we can't see. Last thing we're going to add is going to be our tail. This one, let's kind of curve it up. So we're going to curve it up kind of like an S. And then again, we're going to do that teardrop shape. Now I'm going to tell you he's floating because you know that's what I think he's doing. So I'm going to tell you to give him some ground. So you can give him your jungle or your savanna or wherever you're drawing him, give him some ground. So there you have it. That is your next lion. There is one more lion after this. I will see you there.